University libraries are filled with resources that can help students reach their full potential. There are 5 core elements that can help you make the most of your university library. Academic skills support workshops are offered by most university libraries. They're designed to help students achieve their goals and may include things like tutoring sessions, test preparation, specialist learning support, and advice on different learning strategies that can help you make the most of your time, tips for different classes, and lots of writing advice. Your lecturer will give you a reading list of key texts and reference material that you will need for each module in your course. The university library has them all. Your lecturer has probably included a range of different sources, including journals and chapters from books. These may be available online through the library catalogue, or you will need to borrow the physical item. Be aware, though, that some of the more popular texts are only available in physical copy and may have shorter borrowing times. When you visit the library in person, you have full access to everything available, but there are times when using digital online services can be more convenient. E-resources, including journals, ebooks, art images, music selections, and statistical information, can often be accessed remotely. Indeed, ebooks and many journals are only available online, so whether you're studying in the library or at home, you can access the same information. The university library is a great place to dedicate time to study. You will have direct access to the resources you need, and all the distractions will be limited. Sometimes libraries may allow you to reserve a table or private room as well. Taking a tour of your library as soon as possible is a great way to familiarise yourself with the layout and services available before you find yourselves actually in need. There are usually lots of tours around Induction Week or Welcome Week, but if you miss out on these, you can always ask the help desk team. The help desk team are your frontline support. Manning the front desk, they will be the first people you see when you arrive and the last people when you leave. They're a great source of general knowledge about the library. They know where specific books are shelved, can advise on using technology, and know the whole library team, so they're able to direct you to the right specialist for your query. If your library has an online chat function, they're also usually the team who will be answering your questions. To make the most of your university library, 1. Use the academic skills support services. 2. Find the key texts for your course. 3. Access journals and other sources online. 4. Study in the library. 5. Ask the library team your questions.